In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to edit and delete a balance and delete a bank account. If you need to correct an opening balance in QuickBooks Online, or you want to remove a bank account you no longer use, this process is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence and avoid editing the wrong account by mistake. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon, then select Chart of Accounts. This area shows the full list of accounts in your company file, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other account types. It's basically the central place where you manage your accounts. Once you're in the chart of accounts, find the account with the balance you want to edit or delete. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct account, especially if you have multiple bank accounts with similar names. When you've found the right one, click View Register. This opens the account register where you can review the transactions that make up that account's balance. In the register, look for the opening balance entry. This is the transaction you'll need if you want to change or remove the beginning balance on that account. Click on the opening balance, then edit it if you need to correct the amount, or delete it if it should not be there at all. Be careful with this step because changing an opening balance can affect your account totals and reports. It's a good idea to double-check the amount before saving any changes. If your goal is not just to edit the balance but to remove the bank account itself from your active list, go back to the chart of accounts. Find that bank account again, and this time look for the small caret icon next to View Register. Click that drop-down, then select Make Inactive. This will remove the account from your active chart of accounts without permanently erasing your historical records, which is helpful if you want to keep your books accurate while cleaning up unused accounts. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to edit or delete an opening balance in QuickBooks Online and how to make a bank account inactive when you no longer need it.